Hey guys, welcome back to another hair tutorial. So this hair I took it in form of a bun in a scarf and also naturally laid. So yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this style, keep on watching. They call me sassy. Okay, so welcome back. One thing I like about cornrows is that it can be very versatile. And you guys, I'm using my old kinky for this. Judge me. Feel free to judge me in the comments if you like. But I'm the kind of person that won't waste the attachment until the life in the attachment is gone. So as I was talking about the cornrows, like cornrows are so versatile. And I just don't like the idea of having to cornrow my hair again just because I want to do a new style. So I just ended up using my old cornrows, and I'm just going to show you that I'm doing a side part. So I'm trying to look at how it will look if I do it close to my forehead or if I do it a little bit far away from my forehead. So I just go ahead to start with the first one because I want to do the parts before I start filling it in. So start with the first one by crocheting, and then I just take one part of the crochet and put that in the hoop, in the loop, and then I just go ahead to let the other one fall and cover the side. So now it will look like it's coming out from the root of my hair, if that makes sense. So we just done a second one. So basically the same thing I said, put in the crochet hook, then loop it around, put it in the hair, then just take one part of the hair and loop it and then use the other one to cover it. So basically that's how I'm going to do for the remaining processes, and then I'll see you when I reach the part that doesn't have anything to do with this. So for the part I want it to come together, I'm just going to go ahead to take one from the other side, like a cornrow from the other side and a cornrow from basically the cornrow, like the 2 points the cornrow meet, and then I'll just cornrow the cornrow as one, like cornrow two cornrows as one, if that makes sense, just to form the part of my hair. So I hope you understand. So basically I just took 2 cornrows and then I made it one. Okay. So basically I'll just go ahead to do the same thing for the front of my hair, but for the front this time around what I'm doing is that I'm putting the crochet hook in a different direction so that it falls to the back rather than falling to the side. So basically it's going to fall to the back and to the side. So when it's looking like it's forming from the front side rather than from the side. I just hope everything I'm saying makes sense. So because of I was not really liking this other side pattern, I just went ahead to form another side pattern by this side and just did the same thing I did for the first one. So after this, I just went ahead to do my normal crochet on the other side. So in my hair I just went ahead to fill in the blank. So basically I just packed the one I just finished doing and then I fill in the blank with the old crochets. So it was really nothing serious. So basically just crochet as normal. At this point I didn't necessarily have to take only one part of the crochet. I could have taken, like, I can take the full part, I can take one part, I can take whatever, however I like, because it's like the middle of my hair. No one is really seeing it anyway, so yeah. So this is the part I just go ahead to like make my hair look presentable, because right now it's looking like something is going on in my life that I'm not able to solve. So I'll just go ahead to trim it with scissors, and then I wanted to brush it out, but I realized that that would have been a very bad idea, and I would have ended up regretting it, because this is an old crochet and it's not going to come back together. Anyway, I'll just go ahead with the scissors and then just chop the parts that are knotted and chop the parts that I want. Basically just make the hair the way I want everything to fall, and just hoping everything will turn out okay and I will look presentable at least. Okay guys, so we've come to the end of this video, and this is how the hair was looking. I actually went ahead to cut this thing more because I didn't want to be drawing too much attention to myself with this hair, even if I ended up drawing too much attention, because somehow I did. Anyway, hope you liked the tutorial, and tell me if you'll be trying this out, and also make sure to, I don't know, tag me if you try it out. Follow my Instagram. See ya in my next video. Bye bye. This is the way the hair is looking. Hope you like it, and make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. Bye bye. I need to go to school. Don't call me mean, I just